Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We ordered a 4x4 Yuxin Little Magic from Cube Lelo and we've received it. We've received the cube in bubble wrap and a Cube Lelo pouch. Looks good. Next, the 4x4 Yuxin Little Magic. Now opening the box. Okay, there is a pamphlet on different formulas and methods to solve the 4x4. This is a cube. First turns. Okay, it's fast. It's a very good cube. So smooth. And we can actually feel the magnetic bumps in it. It has ridges on the edges. I don't like this feature. It gives a lot of friction. And the color scheme is good. I don't like the red, it's too bright. Now we had this as our old 4x4. It's I think a Moyo Veilon 4x4 non-magnetic and a stickered cube. Comparing the sizes, you get to know why this is called Little Magic. So there are a lot of lockups. You can actually see the difference in between that and this. So this cube is generally good. Now checking out the corner cutting. It can cut a lot. Now reverse corner cutting. It's not that good, but it goes till the first line. Now I'm going to do a solve with this. Okay, I'm going to solve this. While I'm solving, I would also like to tell that this cube just costs 900 rupees and is very good for its price range. And I ordered this from Cube Lelo. Yep. It's solved. So basically overall this cube gives a lot lesser lockups than this one, and it's a very good cube to buy if you're at the beginner level of solving the 4x4. That's it for this video. Thank you. The link for this cube will be in the description. Please subscribe and like for more cube related videos.